Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cube Tech. So in this video we're going to talk about that how you should write your description, right? And here I'm going to talk about the channel description, not your video description, right? So we have already talked about that how you can edit your channel description and from where you can choose this option to write about your channel, right? So as the name has been mentioned itself that channel description is going to be about what your channel is about, right? Your channel description should describe your channel, right? What kind of content you are putting, when you are gonna deliver your videos, right? So all the details related to your channel or your content, right? So you should put in your channel description, right? So here we're gonna talk about some tips and tricks that you can use in order to give your videos or your content high ranking or your channel. It will also boost up your channel to write the perfect channel description, right? So let's get started. So first of all, you should know that there's a limit of 1,000 characters that you can write your channel description in 1,000 characters only, and it includes the spaces also, right? So all the letters and the spaces should not be more than 1,000 characters, right? So it means you can just only write your description in just less than 200 words, like, so you have to be really conscious about that you should write your description in less than 200 words, and it should be adequate, right? It should describe your channel and it should have some things that we are going to discuss in this video, right? So let's get started. First of all, let's see where you can see your description. Okay, so we have came to our channel, right? So if anybody would visit to your channel, right, he can see about your channel, your description in about section, right? There are other things also in about section other than description, but we are going to talk about the description only, right? This section tells our audience about our channel, what do we do, what type of content we post, when do we post, and how they can contact us, and so many other things, right? So this is our description. In the about section, there are other things also like stats that is automatically is here, right? And the details and the link that we will talk in our later videos, right? So here we are only gonna talk about our description, right? So let's get started. So first of all, you have to be conscious about the starting of your description. The initial 100 words of your description should describe the essence of your content, and it should be strong. And why I'm telling you this, first we will see that and then we'll come back to this topic. So here we are, and I'm gonna search like about my channel only, but you can just search out any, right? So if we search like WS Cube Tech, this is our channel that anybody could just click here and subscribe, right? This is in our suggestions, right? So as you can see, this is our channel, this is the name of our channel, and here this is the first initial 100 characters of our description, right? So the 100 or 125 characters of your description should be really strong because people gonna see it in their search option, right? So WS Cube Tech is the source of learning everything related to digital marketing, web development, app development. So from here you can just understand that what type of content that the channel is gonna deliver, and anybody could subscribe from here only, right? So your starting of your description should be really strong, and that is really necessary, right? So start strong, start some good words there, add some good words there, just describe your content, right? Okay, so next thing that you have to follow, that your description should describe your content, right? What type of content you are posting, not other relevant things, right? I have seen people writing nothing, like leaving the about section or leaving the description section empty, right? They do not optimize it. You shouldn't make this mistake, right? Just describe your channel, what type of content you are gonna post. So your description should be about your content, not about yourself, not about your hobbies, but about your content, right? So do not make this mistake about writing anything or writing nothing on the description box, right? So describe your channel, right, in your description box. This is a very simple trick, okay? So let's talk about what else you can put in your description box. You can mention your upload schedule, that when you are going to post a video, when you are gonna deliver a video, right? If you have promised your audience that every week or every Monday or every Thursday you are gonna post some particular type of video, then do mention that. If there are different types of video you post over your channel, then you can just specify, you can just mention that upload schedule, that on Monday we post these kind of videos, or on Tuesday we can post these kind of videos, right? So you can just mention a upload schedule in like a few words, because if you have a limit of 1,000 character, right? So just use few words but describe your upload schedule, right? Next you can do is to include keywords in your description, right? Whatever you are writing, whether it is the starting of your description or the description itself, you should add as many keywords as you put, and the keyword should be related to your content, your niche, right? So we will talk about this keyword thing in our later videos in detail, right? But here, whatever the keywords you are searching out in the keyword analysis, after doing keyword analysis, you should put those keywords in your description also, right? And this is really necessary in order to rank your videos, right? All right. So the next thing is that you can add in your description that if you have a firm, or if you are selling something, if you are delivering some services offline, right, other than YouTube, then you should put your contact details so anybody could contact you. Like for example, we are WS Cube Tech, so we have an online channel, online learning platform, but other than that we have a offline training centers also, right? We train people for all the digital marketing and web development courses, many other things, right? So we have put our contact details and our addresses, so don't forget to mention your contact detail and address. But if you think that nobody has to call us, right, we do not provide such kind of service, then it's okay if you skip this step, right? You can skip this putting contact details and address in your description box, right? So after that, you have to have mention a clear call to action. What is a call to action? Like we say now that you should subscribe our channel, you should just comment down under a video, you should just follow our other channel, right? So you have to just mention this call of action to in your subscription also, right? Many YouTubers suggest this thing that you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't ask people to subscribe you, but we are making some content, right? If you will be a YouTuber, you will be making some content with a lot of hard work, right? So in exchange of that hard work, we all need support, right? Support of our audience. So it's really necessary, or it is a requirement, that you should put a call to action. You want your channel to be subscribed, you want people to download your application, or you want people to subscribe your other channel, right? So you should specify the call to action, right? So these are few tips. By using them, you can create a perfect description. And the most important tip that you can use in before putting some channel description or describing your channel, just follow and just see that what kind of description the people of your niche, the content creator of your niche are putting in their channel, right? So just do that, follow them and see that what kind of description they are putting, right? And you can get some inspiration from that, right? So I'll show you some good description that you can get some ideas from. Okay, so I have taken example of our own channel, right? You can get some ideas from this, right? So this is our description, okay? So this particular area is our description. Okay, so this is it. We are starting from WS Cube Tech, the source of learning, everything related to digital marketing, web development, app development, ethical hacking, graphic designing, Python, machine learning, and much more in Hindi, right? We have specified that what type of content we are delivering, right? And in which language in our first 100 characters, right? So make sure to use the starting of your description like really strong, right? You should have a strong starting, as we have done here. Then we have described our channel, right? In addition to the offering high quality courses, WS Cube Tech is also a leading web mobile app digital marketing company in India, trusted by top brands, and many more other details about our company, right? So we have used our description to describe our content as well as our company, right? Okay, so now this is the clear call to action that we want our audience to subscribe our channel for high quality videos, right? So you should specify that what kind of content you are delivering. Then you should ask people to for a call of action, right? You can just ask them to download your application, or you can ask them to contact them, or you can ask them to subscribe your channel, right? So there must be a clear call to action, right? After that, we have added some few keywords related to our content, so that is like really necessary, right? And we have also added our contact details here and other information, like our call of action is there, then we have like the link of our other channel, right? So that you can do, and then we have our Instagram handle it here, right? So you can just do it and create an amazing and perfect description, right? So I hope this video was useful for you, and after watching this video, you will be able to write a perfect description. So if this video was useful for you, then hit the like button, and I hope after watching this video you'd be able to create a perfect description for your channel, right? And if there's any suggestion, any problem occurring regarding your description, any doubt you have, you can comment down. And thank you so much.